Hey Mo, Freckle Face.
Who thought of that name? Butternut. 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 Butter. Nut.
What's up, party people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a guest with me, and it's...
Hey!
And I also have another guest with me, and it's...
Hello.
Today I'm going to be doing a challenge with a chef. This is Chef Dell, and me and Mish, or Mish and I, are going to be doing a recipe where Chef Dell had made. So he's going to make a recipe. We are also going to make the same recipe.
It's gonna be better than this for sure.
We're gonna make the same recipe, and we're gonna try to beat a chef and see if us normal people who don't know how to cook can cook as bomb as he can cook. But we'll see.
You think we can?
I think we can. We've got this.
I don't understand what they are trying to do, but we will see what happens. Okay.
So, but for our recipe,
Okay, come back.
so our recipe, we're gonna make a vegetarian pasta with zucchini squash, butternut squash, zucchini, some beautiful tasting.
You've already lost because you forgot the ingredients already.
Come on, Mo. What's the ingredients?
Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts and all that.
Burrata sauce. Marinara sauce.
Yeah.
This accent, come on.
And
Cheese?
nothing new. Cotija cheese. Yes.
Yeah.
Nice.
So let's get started.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so then we have zucchini squash noodles that we'll be using for our spaghetti. We have butternut squash that we'll use for an added flavor profile with some asparagus tips. We'll have some Brussels sprouts to add into that. Special and delicious, always delicious, it's great with pasta and anything else, is a cotija cheese with the burrata sauce and some of the pure Kerrygold Irish butter. It's just cream and salt. It's delicious.
Chef is cheating because he's adding extra ingredients that was not mentioned before. But that's okay. Ours is still going to taste better.
Our turn, the professionals.
Yeah.
We're about to make this amazing.
So good. So good. And you know what? Did I tell you that he cheated the last time? He cheated because he didn't even use all the ingredients that we were going to use. Like, it's alright. It's cool.
We got this. All right, let's go. All right, what are we starting with?
That, so we're gonna start with the zucchini, right?
Zucchini. All right.
No, we're
Let's
gonna
start.
start with the grapeseed oil.
Wait, what did he? How did he? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We got this. Grapeseed oil. Focus on it. There it is. Grape. What do you want to do on this one or this one? This one?
That one.
All right.
Wait, you don't want to turn on the fire?
Oh, fire. This isn't my first time at the radio or the rodeo.
Okay. Front, rear.
But I turned this one on and turned on. This there it does. Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. She's gonna do the Brussels sprouts and asparagus. I'm gonna do the zucchini squash
And the butternut.
and the butternut squash.
The butternut?
Yes, the butternut. Get on my level.
Spatulas are good for everything.
Yeah, they are. I'm going to add a little bit of this Irish butter.
And then we're gonna put some minced garlic. A lot of butter. Make it buttery. Woo, that butter about to taste good. A lot of salt. Okay. You know, garlic tend to give me gas.
Oh.
You know, garlic tend to give me gas. Color, really, at the end of the day. Now, we're gonna keep this on until it's a nice bronze.
Bronze.
Space for your butternuts. Butternuts.
Gotta make a space for your butternuts.
Butternuts.
Gotta make some space for your butternut.
Butternut.
My essentia. That's that good water. That expensive water.
Oh, we doing some shit now.
I'm just gonna use all the liquid from the zucchini onto the butternut squash, so I don't have to add any more extra stuff.
We don't need that. We're gonna need
Hers is done.
done.
I think my zucchini's done. The butternut squash might take a little bit longer because
You just put it in there.
Chef Mo and Chef Mish.
Hey.
Chef Eminem. I'm just saying. I'm not gonna get it too bronzy
Not too bronzy.
because
We already did that with the Brussels sprouts.
yeah.
Hey Mo, you might want to check your nuts. You might want to check your nuts.
Okay, well now we're gonna plate our dishes, or we're gonna present our dishes, and we're gonna figure out whose dish is plated better than.
But we already know, but we still, you know, we're gonna be good sports about it.
Yeah, we'll just allow him, because he's a chef. Whatever, new in the business. He hasn't been working as long and hard as we have, but
I mean, you know, I've been making ramen noodles since I was like 7.
I'll allow. Alright guys, we're back and we've made our dishes. This one is Mish and I's.
No.
Sorry, just kidding.
No, it's not.
Sorry. This is Mish and I's, and this is Dell's, Chef Dell's.
Konnichiwa.
Ours, as you can tell, it's beautifully done. Yes. And then Chef Dell's, it's saucy, but also
Saucy.
also beautifully done. Okay, now we're gonna try each other's dishes.
Okay.
Dell, you can go first. Go ahead.
Yeah, well, and then we taste a little
We should
bit of
have
that,
water on set.
a little bit of this, and a little bit of one of those. Wow. Mmm.
It's good?
Is it good? No, honest reaction. Honest reaction.
Honestly, is it good?
Look at my eyes.
Really? Is that a good eye or?
That freaking go. What the hell? Like this? This is
It's gonna
good.
put the caption at the bottom.
Right.
That freaking go. What the hell?
We're gonna try Dell's.
It's all about the flavor, not about the heat.
This is delicious, ladies. Clean.
Mmm.
Well put. This is clean. Well done. Very easy.
So we're gonna take this and we're gonna go. Okay.
They laughed. I don't know what happened.
This was fun, but I just have to say that these ladies, for their first time making something like this, was absolutely delicious.
So we just had Dell's dish and oh my gosh, it was amazing.
So good.
That dish was delicious.
The way he makes it, I don't know how to explain it, but it's super good with all the different ingredients.
Yeah. Hit up Mo or Mish and you get that one. It's delicious. You can call me still, whatever, but that one was great.
Everything.
He cheated a little bit.
Hit up Mo or Mish.
I think we plated ours better than his.
We
His
played it
like
better.
it was in
Let's just keep it real.
But ours was a lot better. We did an amazing job, so.
Hit up Mo or Mish.
And you know what, you guys need to follow him and
Yes, follow
check
Chef
him
Dell.
out. If you need a private chef or if you just want a chef to cook for you, teach you some things, definitely watch this video first.
Yes, I'll put all the links of Mish's channel, Dell's channel, and all that down below.
So good.
We should do another one like this.
Yes, we'll definitely be doing another one, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys want to see something else. If you guys want us to make something else. I'm a vegetarian, vegan, so any dishes that are vegetarian, no meat, please. And subscribe if you want. Thank you guys so much again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
How many of y'all been burnt in the kitchen? Ain't nobody trying to get burnt in the kitchen. Nobody trying to get burnt in the kitchen. Nobody trying to get burnt in the kitchen. The kitchen, the kitchen, the kitchen, the kitchen, 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 kitchen.
Nobody trying to get burnt. Nobody trying to get burnt.
In the kitchen.
Nobody trying to get burnt. Nobody trying to get burnt.
In the kitchen.